This e-commerce site is built with React and Redux. I mean React.js and Redux. All right. So make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you all the coding methods. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right. This is the interface. This is the front end. All right. Below this video, there is a link to the script there. You can download the script and use it only for educational purpose. All right, please don't resell any of my scripts. Make sure you watch this video to the end if you want to learn how to design this awesome e-commerce website. You can see, look at the front end, look at the shopping carts. So make sure you pay attention. All right, so now I'm going to open up my VS Code so I can start from scratch. Make sure you watch this video, like this video and subscribe. All right, so let's go. So here is my VS Code. All right, so here is my VS Code. I have some setup already. So if you're new to React, this is not for beginner. I believe for joining this tutorial you should have some experience about web design. You should have learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript before coming to this React. You should have known a little basics about React as well, not just know all the components, all the classes. All right, so let's install React icon. Let's go. So let's npm install React icon. All right, so you know how to do all this. I already installed a bunch of stuff here. If you can see all my files here. So after this, we are going to create announcement components. All right, let's do that. So we are going to create this. So we're going to create a file. So I will just name it this way. All right, so let's write some codes. Okay. Okay. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, pay attention. If you don't understand anything, drop it on the comment section and trust me, I will put you through. All right. But this tutorial is not for beginner. So let's proceed. Let's proceed. Right. Okay. We are almost done. So after this, I'm going to create a home component. Then I'm going to add announcement component to it. So make sure you pay attention, please. Make sure you pay attention. All right, so that's what I'm doing right now. You can see. You can. I know it may be difficult for you in all this stuff because I didn't start with you from scratch, but you should know all the stuff I've installed here.
And then add the home component to the app.
So I just install React, and once you install React, all this stuff, the folder that you are seeing, do come up with it once you install React successful. All right, so that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Now
let's save and have a look.
All right, let's view. All right, so the reason why this thing is showing is because we didn't import the CSS. Let's go. Let's install import the CSS. So we are importing the CSS now. So once we import the CSS here, it's going to display very well. So let's import and see. So you see, this is, can you see the interface now? Can you see how awesome this interface is? So let's proceed.
Let's create navbar component.
So we are getting there. We are done with we are almost done. Let me say almost done with what am I doing with the navbar? Okay, let's proceed. Okay, Okay, make sure you import what you need to import. Pay attention very well. Subscribe to my YouTube account. All right, like this video. So we are going to send this component to the home component as well, so that everything can work. You know how React works now, so everything can be in each other. So we are sending this to the home component. That's what I'm doing now. So we are sending it there to the home component. You can see.
Now let's save and have a look.
It's a very easy process, right? So if you go to the web, this is what you are going to see. You can see rise of coding. See, all right, so you can see slider folder there. So inside the slider folder, I'm going to create a slide component. All right, so that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so let's go here, bring the React. Okay, so let's go, we import. Yep. Okay.
Inside this div, we will map over the slider items. We need first to import it from data file.
Alright, so I'm going to save now and take a look at it. Let's view it on the web again and see. So make sure you save your work. As for me, my work is auto save. So let's go here, refresh. Alright, this is beautiful, but the slider is not working yet. So I'm going back to the code now to cross check and see why it's not working. So we are going to check. let's go on the slider. Pay attention.
We will
very
add a
well.
use state with initial value of 0.
Okay, I think I find my error, so I'm going to const slide. Okay, so it should work after this code. It should work after this code.
And then we will add a handle click function.
Okay, let's go. Okay. After this code, the slide should start working perfectly. Please make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube account, all right? So that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you're watching, you won't miss. All right, make sure you subscribe, please. Subscribe.
We will add on click
right.
and pass handle click function to it.
Okay, so let's check the. Okay. So this React function should handle. Okay, should handle this.
And we will do the same to the other div.
Let's add it here again.
Inside this div, we will add inline style.
So I'm going to try, during my posting of this video, I'm going to try speed the video up so it will be fast for you to watch and learn ASAP instead of spending so much time. All right, so that's what I'm going to do now from now on. So I think okay, let me just go let me complete it. All right, so correct, yeah. So now it's working very well. All right, so the next component I'm going to create now is category. So I'm going to create the component. All right, category. All right, so I'm going to create it. All right, so let's run the code now. All right, one thing you need to know, make sure you are importing so that you won't get into error. Please make sure you import what you need to import. All right, make sure you pay attention to, you can pause
inside this div. We will map over the categories.
The code. All right, like I say, at the end of this video, this particular file will be attached to the video. All right, make sure you subscribe and like.
Now let's save and have a look. Inside Products folder, we will create 3 components. The first one is New Arrivals component. The second one is Bestsellers component, and last one will be Products component. Inside New Arrivals component, we will return Products component, and we will pass props to it. And we will do the same inside the Bestsellers component. Inside the Products component, we will receive this props. Inside this div, we will map over the items. Inside the home page, we will add New Arrivals component and Bestsellers component. Now let's save and have a look. Now let's create Newsletter component. Now let's save and have a look. Now let's create footer component. Inside this UL, we will map over the footer links.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Let's save and have a look.
Play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away.
We've got an error, so let's get back and fix it.
Say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it.
Now we've finished creating all the components, and now we need to create the pages. So we need first to install React Router DOM.
But my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
And now, we need to update the app file.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Now let's save and check. Now let's create register page. Now let's add a route for register page. And inside the navbar component, we will import link from React router DOM. And we will wrap this div with link. Now let's save and have a look. Now let's create login page. Now we will add a route for login page. And inside navbar component, we will wrap this div with link. Now let's save and have a look. Now we will create all products page. So inside the pages folder, we will create a new folder for all products page. And inside all products component, we will have the navbar component. And the products component, and we will pass props to it. And the footer component. Now we add a root for all products page. Now we need to update categories component and slider component. So we will wrap this button with link. And we will do the same in slider component. Now let's save and have a look. Now we need to create single product page. So if we click on View Details button of any of these products, it's open the product page. So first, we will create single product page. And then, we need to add a root for it. And the path will be /product/colon-id. And to get that ID, we will use params function. So inside single product page, we will destructuring the ID using params function. After that, we will search the all products array and find the first product whose ID matches the ID from the URL and store that product in the product variable. Now we will use that product inside the JSX. we will add an array of colors and map over it inside this div. Inside this div, we will add an array of sizes and map over it. Now we need to update the products component. We will use useNavigate function that allows you to programmatically navigate to different routes in your app. Then we add on click function to this button. Now let's save and have a look. We forgot to import the style file, so let's go back and import it. Now let's save and have a look. We need to add some effects to the colors and sizes when we click on it. So we will add a use state for selected color. And a handle circle click function. And we will do the same for the sizes. Inside this div, we will add outline style and onClick function. And inside this span, we will add border style and onClick function. Now let's save and have a look. Now we need to create add to cart function, so when we click on that button we add this product to the cart. To do that, we need first to install Redux Toolkit and React Redux. Inside the src folder, we will create Redux folder. And inside this folder, we will create cart slice, which will handle actions like adding to the cart, increasing and decreasing item quantities, and removing items. Now we create the Redux store and add the cart slice reducer to it. Then inside the index.js, we wrap the app with Redux provider and pass the store to it. Inside single product component, we will dispatch the add to cart action when the user clicks the add to cart button. And we will do the same in the products component. And then, we will update the navbar component to display the total number of items in the cart. Now let's save and have a look. It's not working, so I think we did something wrong. So let's go back and check on it. Inside cart slice, we forget to add the exclamation mark. So let's save and have another look. And now it's working. You can notice that, if the item already in the cart, we can't add it again. Now let's create cart page. We will use selector hook to grab the cart items from the Redux store and use it in our cart component. And we will use dispatch hook to trigger our actions. Now after created cart page, let's add a route for it. Inside the navbar component, we will wrap cart icon with link. And also wrap the logo with link, so it navigate to the home page. Now let's save and have a look. Let's add some items to the cart first. We have an error. I think we made a typo, so let's get back and fix it. The cart should be lowercase, not uppercase. And now it's working, but we forgot to add the plus sign.